What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth, and you already know what's happening. The best chef another banker. See by the title, it's another lit video. But it's a bee that's following me around my car. But look, so y'all can see I'm at Kroger, man. If y'all watched my last video, I just worked out at the gym, got a good workout in. This still day one. But, you know what I'm saying? It ain't over yet because I still got to cook and meal prep and eat. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to get. Right now, I'm doing a 2-week challenge, losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks. So right now, I ain't eating no meat. I'm drinking straight water. But I might go get a protein shake after this. Just stay tuned. But I'm going to go in there and show y'all which vegetable shit I'm going to be eating on. You know, last time I tried to do this, it was too packed in there. I couldn't record. So I'm going to try to record in there. But if not, just stay tuned because I'm going to show you what I got when I get to the crib, show you how to cook it. So just watch the video. And I'm going to talk to y'all when I walk in there. So, for Showski. Hold on. Subscribe to the channel, man. Comment what you want to see next. If y'all like these type of videos, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, finna walk in this bit. No. All right, I'm in here live in the flesh. It ain't too bad in here, man. So I'm going to first start off with the fruit. Feel me? So, yeah. So right now, boxed grapes, can't trust it, bro. See, it'd be hard to record, especially on the iPhone. Like, I ain't got my camera, so I gotta keep, if I wanna flip it, I gotta, so y'all ain't gonna, alright, so start with the fruit. Bro, it's like 20 different types of oranges, I don't know which one. So I'm just gonna go with the ones that's already bagged up. What you talking about? The thing is, bro, the crib, bro, I got like, my brother and dad, bro, why you keep buying oranges? I got like 10 packs of oranges just sitting in the fridge, bro. I never, bro, it's like this. I'm one person, so how the fuck am I gonna eat all these? We gonna make it work though. So, drop the oranges. Yeah, y'all can see it there. This one for the gayats. I ain't even leave all past the strawberries. Can't go wrong with berries, strawberries. So this all I'm be eating, bro, really is fruit, vegetables, and shit. So, strawberries and these. So I got the limes now, the oranges, the strawberries. Now I'm finna tap into the banana muffins. You know what I'm saying? Oh, damn, my fault. I'm all in the way. So with the bananas, man, well, I don't like none of these. All these are green. So I'm gonna have to let these sit for a couple days. But these gonna do. I'm gonna do sit for like 2 or 3 days so they get yellows. So no, they need to get you. All right. So this is it for the fruit, bro. I might get some more grapes. Then after that, I'm gonna go to the vegetables. So y'all stay tuned. Then never mind. The grapes, they ain't got no green grapes, bro. I'm in the green vibe right now, so. Alright, so this is the Kroger produce section. What I'm finna do, I'm finna get like 3 of each. So I'm gonna get 3 green peppers, 3 yellow, 3 red. Get squash, broccoli, cilantro. All this shit, I'm gonna get it. Green beans, that's how I be doing it. Then I mix them all together, throw some 5 seasoning on there, and it's feed me for a whole week, bro. So stay tuned, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's like a lot of fun up there, so I ain't gonna be able to just keep recording. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get done, man. Just stay tuned. Alright, so I got all the vegetables. Now I said I wasn't getting no meat, but I'm gonna get some fish. I'm gonna throw it in there. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't eating no carbs, bro. Like no rice. Usually I do like chicken, vegetables, and rice and shit. Now I'm finna just be doing vegetables and fish. That's it. But I ain't gonna eat fish every day. Some days I'm gonna do straight veggies. Some days I'm gonna mix in it. So I'm gonna just show y'all what kind of fish I'm gonna get. Show y'all how to cook it. So y'all stay tuned, watch the full video. I'm about done. I'm just gonna get this fish. I'm gonna get some almonds and a case of water. That's it. Out this bitch. Okay, YouTube. I'm back from the grocery store at the crib. You know what I'm saying? I already got everything set up. And I told y'all no meat, but I'm going to start off slow, man. I'm just going to do a lot of vegetables and just some fish and some shrimp. That's it. I'm going to keep it right there. And then next week, I'm going to probably get it to where I ain't doing no meat. But we'll see. But for right now, so I got the fish right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't let it thaw out all day. Got the shrimp right here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to season it and whip it up. You feel me? Got the shrimp. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to turn the camera and show y'all I got the vegetables already out and washed. So let me show you. So I didn't get the regular broccoli. I got the broccoli like whatever. I got these. Got some squash, yellow peppers, red peppers, some green beans, and I'm gonna cut up all this and cook all of it because I'm gonna try to eat more vegetables than meat. Basically, more vegetables and a little bit of meat, and that's gonna get me through. No cap. So y'all stay tuned, man. I done got it washed already. Got my fish out, everything. So now let's get the cutting. Stay tuned. Okay, so start off with the peppers. How I do this, you know what I'm saying? Simple. Cut the head off. Boom. And I grab this middle part out. Throw it away. I'm just put it in this bag right here. And I just cut it like this. Now look, I ain't never come up here to tell y'all I'm a professional. You feel me? This is how I do it. This is how my little swag with it. You feel me? Boom. Stack them. As y'all can see. Now this ain't the knife that I usually cut with, but it's the first one I seen. So yeah, I do with it. And then, you know, shit ain't perfect, but I'm just keep chopping them up in smaller pieces. I don't want to hear nothing in the comment, man. You feel me? But yeah, man. So I love red peppers. I like peppers a lot, for sure. And I used to be the type to not even really rock with vegetables, bro. Till like last year sometime, I went vegan for a whole month, and then now it's just like, shit, vegetables. I can eat vegetables and be Gucci for real. But yeah, this shit smells good as fuck. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I got my bowl right here. Go ahead and start putting them in here. You know what I'm saying? Hands washing everything. Cut this up through. Feel me? I don't know if y'all want to sit here and watch me cut up all these, bro, because I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't no Gordon Ramsay, but it's good, man. But this is how we move, man. I promise you it's gonna smack. When it's all said and done, bro, I promise you, bro. That's the most important thing, as long as it smack. You feel me? If it don't smack, then I ain't doing nothing right. Smack. Smack. Beautiful cuts, man. All uneven cuts. That means every bite got a different flavor in it. You know what I'm saying? That's why you gotta. I'm gonna mix it up and go with the yellow this time, you know? Same process. Cut the head off. Feel me? Take the middle part out. Throw it to the side. Get active. This one kind of small, so I don't know how many. Left side. Alright. Line them up. Chop. This will give you the most even cut, so I feel like this is how I do it. Turn these like that. Ow. Ow. Hello. Feel me? Yeah. 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 That was really kind of quick, wasn't it, y'all? You know what I'm saying? That was really kind of quick and smooth. Throw these in there. Throw these in there. And yes, my hands are clean, so I don't even want nobody to ask that, you know? Ain't even no point to ask that. If I don't wash the vegetables, I know my hands washed. Man, crazy, man. Turn these to the side. Foul. Damn, I like these. I ain't got nothing to prove. I like my fingers, so let me just chill. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing to prove. Alright. Alright. Another pepper.
Red pepper. Probably ate the sauce, so
done cutting up the vegetables. I'm done seasoning everything. I wasn't gonna do it on camera, but the video was gonna be too long, so you feel me? Let me just show y'all what I got. So vegetables, I don't know if y'all can see, but they seasoned, steaming right now. You hear me? Shrimp, I took the tails off and got them seasoned up. And let me mind y'all, man, the seasoning, the most important thing. These hoes finna be no kizzy. And I got the fish already seasoned up. Now, this is a lot of fish. I didn't plan on cooking this much fish, but you know what I'm saying? I got a. So, yeah. So, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, and we Gucci, man. No all right, so everything done. Here go the fish, the vegetables, you know what I'm saying? Shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Everything done this season. It's my meal prep. I got 4 days. So I'm gonna be eating in this 4 days. Then I'm gonna do the same process. So yeah, man. So that's gonna do it for this video, man. I showed y'all in the store. If y'all watched my last video, go. If you haven't watched my last video, go watch my last video. I was talking about what's finna go on, the challenge I'm doing, losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks. Subscribe to the channel, man. Let me know if y'all like these videos. If y'all wanna see how I season it, my food and how I cook it like step by step, let me know. I got y'all. I'll do a whole video tutorial how I cook fish or how I cook chicken. Whatever you wanna see, just let me know in the comment section. Hope y'all like the video. Subscribe to the channel. But enough talking, I'm out, man. Peace.